MacBids. How much did you pay? Never mind. It's an app. We got for 31 bucks. 31 bucks. It's an app. We got it for 41 bucks. So you find your aisle number and then like your rack number or bay number, and then we already got it. It's right here. There's a picture of it. There it is. Place is bustling. A lot of people. There's some more greenhouse type things. My location was in Schertz, and here's in San Antonio. So we got a couple of greenhouses. I think they're gonna be used just for the shelving, maybe like those plastic ones, and then some desks and stuff like that. Some other things.